this, Maeve? But who's in the container?
Popsicle. Can't do it.
Good. Liam, I think Maeve might need a little help. Can you help her?
Yes. Hey, guys, watch this. A stick's gonna go flow down.
Okay, can you open up the container so Popsicle can go eat some flies?
Yes. I can do it. Changed my mind. There you go. There you go.
Popsicle goes.
There you go. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh. Oh, funny.
Can you see her?
Can we walk in there?
Sure. Do you see her?
Can she walk in there?
Oh, she's gonna swim and hop and find some bugs to eat. There she goes, Maeve.
Where? My way.